Hey everybody, today I'm going to be teaching you the C major chord, and the notes for C major chord are C, E, G. That's the root inversion, and you have the first inversion, that is E, G, C, and then the second inversion G, C, E. So this is the root position, first inversion, second inversion. All right. I was curious to know which song is the most famous song online for C major chord, and I was surprised by knowing that it's Taylor Swift's song called Ours. Okay, and this is how it goes. Let me show you how the right hand goes. It goes C, D, E, C, D, E, C, D, E, A, G. All right. So that's the right hand, and the left hand goes like this: C major, A minor, and then it's a F major. So it goes tan 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 tan. So it basically is C major 4 times, A minor 4 times, F major 8 times. So it goes 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So this is how it's played. The left hand goes 4 times. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So C major is 4 times, A minor is 4 times, and F major is 8 times. So it goes 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 goes 1 2. So that's the way we use the C major chord for this song. Hey everybody, I hope you learned something new and informative today. And dear friends, I want to bring to your notice a music course that I've set up, and it's a free music course for anybody who want to learn to sing and play the piano. Dear friends, for more than a decade, I've been performing at different hotels, different performance concerts, and this experience I want to bring to anybody. Now, this music course is for regular people who want to learn to sing and play the piano. So if you are a person who wants to learn to sing and play the piano and you're not that great at playing the piano, you're not that great at singing, dear friends, I want you to take this up. It's a free music course. It's introductory level where you can get an understanding of what it takes. I'm going to show you what it takes to go step by step to be able to sing and play the piano. Welcome, dear friends. I hope to see you there at the course. Bye-bye.